hawk.
That's right. And what's the other one?
Large owl. A large owl.
That's absolutely right. Can you tell which one the owl is?
Yes. It's the one on the top. And
Oh, but do you see them in there?
no, I swam. Wait,
Here.
I see a hawk. I see a hawk.
You see the hawk?
But I don't see the owl.
Well, we look for the owl.
Whoa! Oh, he's getting some breakfast.
Whoa!
That's chicks.
Oh, what do you?
Are they chicks?
They're chicks.
Oh, yeah.
They're super hawks.
They're what kind of hawks, Ethan? Cooper's hawks, yeah. Okay, that's really unfortunate that we had to see that.
Yeah.
Well, there it is. Life, I guess.
Yeah.
Ethan doesn't seem to.
Yeah.
Oh my. Hey, Ethan. The owl's getting breakfast too.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Oh.
See the owl?
That's what they eat, honey.
That's chicks?
They eat baby chicks.
Well, I love chicks.
I know. But it's what we call the circle of life, right? Just like in the ocean. The big fish eat the little fish and so on until
I wonder how they die.
you get down to the smallest of chicks. I don't know, baby.
Mommy, I wonder how they die.
I don't know. Shall we go look at something else?
Yes.
Maybe something happier.